we are going to download and install the Anaconda navigator. So all you need is just to open your favorite browser, simply search for Anaconda distribution. This one, okay? Just search for it and you will see this first link, which is this one, okay? Individual edition Anaconda. anaconda.com/product/individuals, and here you will see this thing, this download button. When you click on it, it will show you these things: Windows, Mac OS, Linux. So my operating system is Windows, which is 64-bit, so I will simply click on it. So where do you want to save this? I'm going to save the download file in the downloads folder. So the download has been started here. Here you can see it. It will take some time according to your internet speed, so please be patient and wait for it. So here you can see it has been downloaded successfully. If I show you, then it is inside our downloads folder. Okay, it has been downloaded successfully. Now you can simply double click on it and it will now open the installer. Here we go. So click next. I agree. Just me. Next. And then inside the, yeah, this is the default path. If you have extra space anywhere, that is, let's say with your username, like my PC or you can say computer name is Coding Cafe, this is my username. Okay, here you can see it contains this extra space. So I mean, when you install Anaconda, there must be no space in the path. So how we can do it? Well, the answer is simply okay. If you have some extra space in your username or anywhere, then what we need to do, first of all, let's just go to the C drive. Now inside the C drive, let's create a folder by the name Anaconda. Okay, and now go back to the installer and make sure to change the path if it contains a space like this. Okay, just like in my case, it contains coding space and then cafe. Okay, here you can see it, and then browse this PC. Inside the C drive we have a folder by the name Anaconda. Then press OK and then click next. Here you can see it, and make sure to uncheck this. Okay, and then press install button, and it is now going to install the Anaconda. So it will take some time. You have to be patient and wait for it. So here you can see it has been installed successfully. Then click on next button, next, uncheck these two, and then click finish. So yeah, that's it. Now let's launch the Anaconda navigator. This one, okay, Anaconda navigator. So it is initializing and it will open now the Anaconda navigator. So here you can see it, Anaconda navigator. Thanks for installing Anaconda. Okay, so we are going to install the Keras, TensorFlow and Flask in Anaconda environment. So for that, let's just open up quickly the Anaconda prompt as an administrator. Here it is, and now In order to create a new environment, we have to write this command, which is conda dash dash name and then your environment name. So let's create a new environment. First of all, make sure to write here conda create dash dash name and then your environment name. So let's create a new environment by the name ML, okay, which stands for machine learning. So let's just press enter. It has been created, done. Okay, proceed. In order to proceed, you have to write Y and press enter. So yeah, so simple and so easy. Now here you can see alongside at the end, that is the base environment is currently by default running. Okay, and as you know, we have created the ML environment, so we have to run our own new environment, which is by the name ML. So let's activate this. So how we can activate it? Well, in order to activate it, you have to simply type this command, which is conda activate and your environment name, which is ML. So we will simply write here ML, and now here you can see our ML environment is running. So yeah, now we are going to install. Let's just close this one and let's open up a new Anaconda prompt, run as administrator. Okay, first of all, as you know, it is the base environment is running by default, so let's activate our ML environment first. So you can say conda activate ML. Okay, so ML environment is now running. You have to simply go to Google and search for install Keras with conda. Okay, and you will see this one, which is Keras anaconda.org. Okay, let's open this. And here on the first page, you will see to install this package with conda, run one of the following. So let's just run one of the following. Let's copy this one. Okay, and come back to the Anaconda prompt and paste that command and press enter. And let's wait for it. So here you can see the Keras has been installed successfully in our ML environment. Now the next thing that we need to install is basically the TensorFlow. Okay, so I will simply close this and open up again the Anaconda prompt in order to get a new prompt. Okay, so an administrator, and now we have to activate first conda activate our ML environment. Okay, so conda activate ML. So here you can see our ML environment is now activated. Now let's install. So go to Google and simply search for install TensorFlow with conda. Okay, and here you will see this TensorFlow, and we have to look for this one, which is TensorFlow. You can see this colon colon anaconda.org. Okay, so let's just open this. And by the way, you can also come to this page directly by simply typing this URL and press enter. Okay, so anyways, I hope you understand it. This is just simply googling for things. So anyways, we have to simply copy this command and open up the Anaconda prompt and paste that and press enter. So it is now installing TensorFlow in the ML environment. So let's wait for it. So in my case, it is already installed. Okay, already requested package is already installed. So let's say if you have not installed it, then it will start the installing process. I mean, it will completely install TensorFlow for you. Okay, just like we install the Keras. Okay, so yeah, this is about installing the TensorFlow. So now let's just close this and open up the Anaconda prompt, run it administrator, and now we will install Flask in our ML environment. So first of all, let's activate our ML environment. So we can say conda activate and ML, which is our ML environment. Conda activate ML. So we are in the ML environment. So go to Google again and simply search for install Flask with conda. Okay, and you will see this one, flask colon anaconda.org. And as usual, we will simply copy this command in order to install Flask in our ML environment. So just copy this, open up the Anaconda prompt, and just paste the command and press enter. So it is now going to install the Flask in our ML environment. So you have to, in order to proceed, you have to press Y. So here just press Y and press enter. So it is now installing it. Okay, you can see it has been installed successfully. So yeah, that's it. And then the last one, I mean the last two are, let's first open the Anaconda prompt. We have to install also the Keras preprocessing library and then the pillow library. Okay, so anyways, first of all, let's activate again conda activate ml. That's why I mean opening the Anaconda prompt whenever I install the new library, so that you can remember this name, which is ML, okay, which is our environment, okay, that we will use later on. So conda activate ML, let's activate. Here you can see ML has been activated, and now let's install the pillow first. So as usual, go to your browser and simply search for install pil with conda, or you can also directly search for, like for example, pillow, pillow pillow with conda. Okay, so you will see this one, pillow anaconda.org. okay, just open this. You will see this command. You have to simply copy it and open up the Anaconda prompt, paste the command here. Okay, and then let's press enter in order to install it. So yeah, it has, we have to allow the permission by simply typing Y in order to proceed, yes, and press enter. Y. Okay, and now it is installing pillow. So wait for it, it will take some seconds. So yeah, it has been installed successfully. Now the next one that we will install is, go to your browser and search for install Keras pre-processing with conda. Okay, search for it and you will see this one, which is Keras pre-processing anaconda.org. Okay, let's open it. Just copy this command and then come back to the Anaconda prompt, paste the command, press enter in order to install it. Okay, write Y, press enter. So yeah, this one has also been installed successfully. And then the last one is basically the Flask-RESTful. Okay, so just go to Google again and search, install Flask-RESTful, okay, with conda. Just search for this and you will see this Flask-RESTful anaconda.org. So let's open this. Just copy this command in order to install it. Copy it, come back here, and let's paste it here and press enter. And now it is going to install it. Write Y, press enter. So it is now installing. Now let's open up the Anaconda prompt again. Activate the conda, activate ML. Okay, and go to your browser and search for install pip with conda. Okay, just search for it and you will see this pip anaconda.org. Just open it and let's install this. Why enter? See you guys in the next video.